So my name is Zeba Zaidi. Along with Adnanadeep, we're the two founders of Volano Entertainment. So I'm one of the founders of a company called Volano Entertainment, which is aiming to be the biggest player in India when it comes to amateur sports. We set up Volano 3 years ago with the ambition of creating the biggest amateur sports firm in India, and we're well on track to doing that. Our concept very simply is to have more and more people come back to playing sport. So as we grow older, as we start working, the first thing that gets cut out of our life is sport. Irrespective of how good we were or how much we enjoyed it, once we get into a working life, sports takes a back seat. And now with the new light on health and fitness benefits, and also the rise in the number of lifestyle diseases, it is imperative that there is a certain level of fitness that all of us achieve. And our endeavor is to find a mix of sports and entertainment. So in fact, our concept is all about sportainment, as we call it, which is about making running, making any kind of sport more enjoyable for a regular person to come and participate and go back with a little more than just a fitness routine that they enjoyed. So with that in mind, our concept is about creating new sporting properties and having people come and participate. So typically in India right now, there is a focus on professional sports. So there are these multiple leagues that are being launched, which is all about us watching sports people. As a company, Volano is aiming to create participatory events where people like me and you who work for a living come and play sport over a weekend and enjoy themselves. So one of our biggest properties is a property called Devil Circuit, which is a very unique form of running. It's a running event where we create a 5-kilometer running track on which every 200-300 meters we place a military style obstacle. So essentially you start running, then you jump over fire, then you run some more, then you crawl under barbed wire, then you run some more, then you climb a high wall. So you test yourself not just physically but also mentally. Also, it's more fun because it's more of a group sport. So whereas a typical marathon or even a 10-kilometer run is about you and the road and how fast you can run and how much stamina you have, the unique concept about our property is that irrespective of your fitness level, irrespective of your age, irrespective of the stamina that you have, there is something for everybody to take home. So you start running with a group of friends or a group of colleagues if you've come from a corporate background, and you help each other. There are high walls, so one of you climbs up, then you pull the other. So there's a lot of camaraderie, there's a lot of engagement, there's a lot of networking that takes place. Everybody who finishes for us is a champion. So everybody who crosses the finish line, irrespective of whether you've done 3 obstacles or all 15, we give you a big gold medal. You go home on a high of having achieved something. So our concept is all about making sports more fun. So that is what we're aiming to do with Devil Circuit. Yeah, so we have a website through which we take registrations. There is a registration fee before each edition. So we do this event once a year in every city. Hyderabad we're coming to in October. This year we're also going to Mohali, Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore apart from Hyderabad. And before we launch the event, a couple of months before that, we start a media campaign to create awareness about the event, and that's when we invite entries. So very soon you will see us in various media platforms, whether it's cinema trailers or it's print ads or it's social media, reaching out to people about the event details and so on. And that's how we invite participation. So currently it's 5 cities this year, 12 next year and 17 the year after. So we're on a national rollout platform. And with Ram Charan coming on board as a brand ambassador, there is that much needed boost that this concept is getting. So we've had a phenomenal response wherever we've done this so far. In fact, we were in Hyderabad last December where we had over 1,500 participants. We did that as a small pilot. For the upcoming edition in Hyderabad this year, we're looking at upwards of 5,000 people coming and participating. So you'll see a lot more of us around. We've just concluded a photo shoot that we did with Ram Charan. These are the photographs that you see from there. So you will see a lot more communication from us detailing the event and its highlights.